Northern Bukidnon State College motto: Vision and Mission. Northern Bukidnon State College will be a college of choice, nationally recognized for having innovative and cultivate academic programs, research and extension, and services that cultivates educational personnel growth to meet the needs of our students in our society and the global community. Mission: Northern Bukidnon College is a accessible community-based institution that provides educational opportunities to develop students into socially responsible, competent, and productive and professionals. Thank you. I choose NBSC in my area because doon na siya. Then, if na ako'y vacant time or half day ang klase, maka part-time job ko to earn my financial taga-adlaw. That's why I choose NBSC.